Design theme-based album. DigiPhoto Smart provides consistency in designing an album with the theme-based design options. Just select size of an album and required number of pages, then import required images. Now select the theme of your choice from the various category of theme and proceed further. Now you will find your album gets created as per the theme selected. You can also add a new page in continuation of the same theme by using the add theme page option in storyboard, and a new page will be added in your storyboard with the same theme.